Okay, it's September 29th and I'm out here at Eager Farms corn test plot. We haven't harvested it yet. Just looking down the row of channel 20594 VT3. Give you an idea of the lodging looking down the row. Okay, the next one is P0125HR. Okay, P0118HR. That one looks pretty good. Looks like it's standing up pretty good down through the row. DeKalb 5378. Okay, the next one is P0115XR. Okay, this is DeKalb 5345. That one's going down pretty bad. Okay, the next one is channel 20283 VT3. Yeah, this channel you can't even see down the row. Okay, 37K11. Y14. Y14 appears to be breaking off at the above the ear. Next one is P9995XR. Now we had some 70-mile-an-hour winds come through here last week. Okay, this variety is channel 19836 VT3. There's quite a bit down. Okay, now P9855HR. You can see it's bent my sign. Okay, DeKalb 4661. Okay, next one is P9807HR. '9623 seems to be breaking over above the ear. Okay, channel 19599 VT3. That one's breaking over above the ear and below the ear. V63. That one's tending to break over above the ear too. It's good for cut down on the wind resistance for the next storm come through. 38A57. Shot down the rows on that. $95.12. $38M60. Okay, New Tech 3A 8004 GT. Still pretty green. It's quite a tall variety. $38H08 92 day. P9380 XR.